Let's create a basic calculator website using ChatGPT. Just type create a calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now ChatGPT is generating a small guide for the calculator. After the guide, it is generating HTML code for the index.html file. Now ChatGPT is generating CSS code for the style.css file. Finally, it is generating code for JavaScript code for the script.js file. If ChatGPT stops generating a response in the middle, just type continue, and it will start generating from where it left off. Finally, our code is ready. Now let's copy the HTML code, paste it into the index.html file, and save it. Now open the index.html file in the web browser to see how it looks. Now, let's copy CSS, paste it into the style.css file, and save it. Now refresh the tab to see the difference after CSS. Now it's time to copy and paste our JavaScript code into the script.js file and save it to make our calculator work. Let's refresh the page. This is what our basic calculator website looks like. Let's do some calculations to see if our calculator is working. As you can see, calculator is working completely fine and providing us with accurate calculations. Moreover, if you don't like how the calculator looks, you can change it by giving the command to ChatGPT. Just type improve CSS and make it look more professional, and it generates improved CSS code. Let's copy and paste this code into the style.css file and save it. Now refresh the page and see the changed look of the calculator. As you can see, I'm doing calculations, and it is working perfectly fine. This is it. We build this simple calculator website using ChatGPT in 1 minute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video.